In the pull ahead, all stud bolts are undone. Let me pause it real quick, cause that way I can I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, I don't know about this. This does not look good. I mean, look at all this. I mean, this is the only good part slash piece, but look at this. Snapped that booger right off. Slammed it into the spark plug and nope, that one's bent too. They're goners. If I can pull that out of there. Yeah, just slightly bent, but I ain't gonna try to reuse a bent push rod. That just causes more trouble. Ooh. Look at that piston, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. It took the chunk out of it. Holy crap. Put a hole in the sucker. See what this hole looks like at the bottom of this thing. Yeah, like I told y'all. Definitely a hole. Smaller than dime size. It's like almost the size where I can get my pinky in that thing. But look at that, y'all. It still moves. Oh, God. Look at the scarring in that thing. I don't know. Still turns over pretty smooth. You think we should try to put the other head on it and see if it'll start? I don't know. But we're going to be the rednecks and try to see if it'll still start like this. It might eat its way through that piston, I don't know. But if it blows up again, there's a hole in that piston for sure. But, yeah. It ain't got a hole anywhere in it. It might just run again. We might just put it back together and run it till it dies. Take it through the mud hole. Boom. Who cares? Alright, y'all.